Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Mpho. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys yet another opportunity to start making money online. In today's video, we're going to be looking at two websites. One of the websites I haven't spoken about on this channel before, and the other website is a website that I recently spoke about. So I just want to show you guys the payment proof. Now, without any further ado, let's just dive into today's video. In today's video, we're going to be looking at this website right here called Prolific. For those that haven't seen the previous video, I'm going to leave the link down on the description box because that video has more details than this one. So Prolific is a website where you're going to be doing different studies and you're going to get paid for doing that. This is a preview of how the studies look like once you become a participant. So they're going to say they're going to show you the title of the study and what is required of you. They're also going to show you how much you can potentially get paid per hour and the duration of that particular study and the places available for that study. So some of the reasons you might want to be part of Prolific is because you're going to earn money, your answers are going to be anonymous, and you're also going to work flexible hours. So when you go to the bottom of the page, this is where you can get started with the sign up process, which I'm not going to do because I did it on the previous video. So I'm going to go straight to my payment proof. So I'm going to type in Prolific. This is the payment proof from Prolific. As you can see, it says Mpho Ntwayabora, and the date right there. It was sent on the 10th of October. I was able to earn 39 euros and 23 cents, and this is how it looks like. I'm not going to sign into my account, but I want to show you guys my current balance on Prolific. So I'm going to go to my other email and come here to the approved response. So after they have approved your response, they're going to send you an email. So as you can see, this was 3 hours ago and I got approved for 15 cents in euros. And then my current balance on my Prolific account is 30 euros and 44 cents. This is the amount that I was able to make in the month of October, and I still have other amounts that are waiting approval. So let's just move on to the next website. For the second website, we've got this website right here called Mobrog. This is how their homepage looks like. As you can see, it says paid online surveys. At Mobrog, you can actively participate in market research, give your opinion and money by taking part in online and mobile surveys. So as we go to the bottom, this is how it works. You need to register and complete your profile. You also need to take part in surveys on interesting topics. It further says have fun and get paid for your opinion. So when we go to the bottom, it shows us the cash out options that they have. They've got PayPal, Skrill, and Ecom Matcher. So when we go down, this is more about this company. This is them explaining more details about this company. So when we go down, this is the registration. This is where the registration process starts. Here it says on average between 5 to 35 ZAR or rent is credited per completed surveys. So you've got the potential of earning 5 rand to 35 rands per completed survey. So for us to get started, we're simply going to register or click on the register button, wait for it to load, and then we're going to be directed to a page like this one, right? So for us to register, we need to put in our email address, repeat the email address that we entered here, and then enter in our password, and then repeat the very same password that we just entered. And then we're going to enter in our nickname. And then as we go to the bottom, this is the date of birth, the year, the month, and the day. And then the gender. You're going to also enter in your postcode and your occupation status. You also need to enter your education level and also your race, and also enter the code that they have provided here. So this code right here, you enter it here. So it's N48QUW, and then you click their terms and condition, or you agree to their terms and condition and click register. But because I'm already a member, I'm simply going to log into my account and just show you guys how it looks like once you are logged in. After logging in, I am then directed to a page like this one. As you can see, my current balance is $1.81. In order for you to cash out, you need to have a balance of $6.25, right? You need to have a balance of $6.25 before you get started. You need to complete your profile, and they're not going to pay you for completing your profile. So this is how much some of their surveys pay. I wouldn't say this website is high paying, but I also wouldn't say it's low pay. So for 15 minutes you can get paid $1.01. For 28 minutes you can get paid $1.70, and for 10 minutes you can potentially get paid 60 cents in dollars. So as we go down, this is where you can get your link to invite friends. So here it says invite your friend to Mobrog now and receive $1 for every active member invited by you. You can also play the lottery, which I think is risky. Gambling is risky, so I haven't tried this one, and see how much you can get paid with the lottery, but I personally haven't tried it. And then you can get started with completing surveys. Now for the payment proof. I need to explain something. For you to see the payment proof of Mobrog, you come here to where it says about us. About us, when they send you your payment proof, they're going to write this company right here that says Splendid Research GmbH. This is the company that's going to send you the money. So when we come to Mobrog, when we come to our email and type in Mobrog payment, it's not going to give us anything. Instead, they're going to send us the email. They send me an email that confirms that I recently got paid. As you can see here, it says, we are happy to note that your balance has just paid out, right? So when we enter in Splendid Research, I'm going to copy this. Copy and paste. When we enter in Splendid Research, let me just say PayPal. Splendid Research PayPal, it gives me the payment proof for Mobrog. So this is the payment proof that I received from Mobrog. It was sent by the company called Splendid Research. They sent me $6.25. This was on the 3rd of September. So this is the payment proof that I received. Thank you guys for watching. Until the next video, take care, and also kindly follow me on all my social media platforms so that we can connect. Thank you guys.